What is brand equity? Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we explain and discuss relevant concepts regarding strategy, branding, and markets. Today we will explain the key concept of brand equity. Brand equity is the value that a company derives from its brand, which is generated by a distinctive and better response by the clients, compared to a non-branded product offer. According to this definition, companies derive value from what consumers know regarding the brand. This is a consumer-based perspective of brand equity. Consumers, when recognizing the brand, given their impressions, knowledge and experiences with the brand, will react more favorably than to the same unbranded product. They will show higher willingness to pay, to repeat purchase, to visit the website and social media sites, to watch ads and communications, to generate word of mouth, to recommend to other users. We can identify drivers and outcomes of brand equity. The drivers are basically three: brand knowledge, brand image, and brand experiences. These drivers can help improved exchanges with consumers and stronger relationships. The stronger these relationships with consumers, the more they will be willing to purchase and pay for the brand, generating superior behavioral responses. These behavioral responses will in turn improve sales, margins, and profits, thus impacting the economic value or equity of the firm. How can you create brand equity? By developing a brand strategy. A brand strategy has three key elements: the definition of the target market, the definition of the brand promise, the selection of brand equity generators. The brand equity generators are basically the brand elements, like the brand name and logo, the brand marketing mix, and the planned associations with other brands. By defining and implementing a sound brand strategy, companies and institutions will be able to create or strengthen brand equity drivers and increase the brand equity for consumers and the firm. On 1, 2, 3, this is brand equity. We hope this content has helped you, and if so, give this video a like. Follow us on YouTube, subscribe, and check the videos that we upload weekly regarding branding, strategy, and markets. Thanks, and come back. The Strategic Look.